All right, so packaging. Packaging, I mean, it's pretty nice. Nothing special. What I really want to do is get in that thing, though. So that's what we finna do. All right, so this is the spring it come with. You're gonna have to replace this spring. Well, the spring that's already in your Canik mag with this one. All right, now this could work for any mag, but the gun I got is obviously the Canik TP9 SF. So we're using the 18 round mag that actually come with it, which is great to use. But if you got the 20 round mag, cause the TP9 SFX, I'm pretty sure that come with the 20 round mags. If you got that one, you can still use it. You just gotta specify when you're actually ordering it to, that you have that type of mag. Cause if not, they're gonna send you the one that goes to this mag, which obviously you can't use. But first, to get everything started, all you wanna do is get some type of tool of some sort. I have an Allen wrench right here, and just slide this off after you done punch that little thing in. As y'all can see, we got this shit out perfectly. Perfect. No spring, nothing in there. That's what you want right there, just how we did it. Alright, I had to go off camera for this bullshit because it was some bullshit, like I just said. I basically just had to rip it. You're supposed to just be able to just twist it a little bit, and it's supposed to like just come out real smooth, like, well, not too smooth, but easy to not have to do it. But I basically had to rip that motherfucker off. So it worked though. Nothing broke. Cool. Set that piece to the side. That piece off. Fuck this spring now. All right, now after you done got rid of that old spring, you wanna get the new spring and slap this on top of that shit, just going pretty smooth. Yep, just like that. Yeah. All right, now this shit gonna be difficult, but press this shit all the way down. Be careful. Try to put the spring as deep as you can. Now try to slide that base plate on there. All right, y'all, so I realized that you needed an Allen wrench to actually, right there, you need an Allen wrench to get this whole process done. So it took me forever to actually find an Allen wrench. So this is actually a couple of days later, honestly, because I've been so busy with football and all this other shit. But I'm back at it. So let's just unscrew this. Yep, and it just slid in. It just slid in completely. I'm gonna twist it back. Yep. Yep. I've been waiting on this moment, y'all. Finally. That motherfucker pretty, ain't it? Yes, indeed. Stop playing. This is the size, well, where is it? Right here. This is the size that it specifically took. It took me forever to just find a set, I guess. Well, I really didn't want to buy a set. This was like $12 because I couldn't really find that particular one single or in a smaller pack or whatever. But it's cool. it's worth it. So just letting y'all know, because I'm pretty sure I don't really see it nowhere on the pack. It doesn't tell you that you need this specific Allen wrench. So yeah.